Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can actually buy a domain name from GoDaddy. So first of all guys, what I will need you to do is open any browser that you have on your PC. So for us, I will be using Google Chrome and you will be able to use whatever browser you have. So first of all, let's go ahead and open GoDaddy, and here we open it in a new tab. So here it is. Now let's keep this and search for domain name generator. Here we can search our ideas. We can choose anything from, for example, this one. Here we can add some keywords. So if you don't have any domain name idea in your mind, you can just go in this page and search, like put a keyword and search for a domain name. So for example, if we write animals and search for domain, and here it will take us here. Let's wait. So here we go down. They will talk to you about a lot of stuff, but we don't really need those. So domain name generator, let's go back, brand new premium domain, let's go back and let's make animal again. So here we go, and that's the domain names that they gave us. For example, our animals.net is actually available right now. So what we're going to do is copy this link and go to GoDaddy. So now let's remove the .net and search. As you can see, there is .com that is already taken by somebody, and there is this other website that is available on this website. For you guys, just in case you don't know, GoDaddy give you a really huge discount on the first year purchase. So if you have any website domain that you want to buy, just go ahead and buy it right now before they take off this huge discount. So for example, if you can see here, this XYZ domain name is actually only by 0.01 cents. It's not even $1, guys. So it is really cheap, and nothing actually now can stop you from getting a domain name. So now what you need to do is pick a website. So for example, this one, make it yours, and then continue to cart. And basically guys, what you need to do is here we can remove this so we can keep it really cheap. Here we click on continue to cart, and then they will ask you to put your informations, sign up to the website, and etc. Like here we can remove it because we don't really need it. Let's remove it, and here let's make it 1 year, and here we go. So now what we are going actually to do is just keep it like that, really simple. If you want to make it .net, here is some suggestions that you can actually change it to it, and then we can click on I am ready to pay, and just like so guys. Now you'll only need to put your private information to log in, and you will be ready to go. So I guess that's how you can actually buy a website or a domain name using GoDaddy. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.